How to enable direct chat on Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the More option on the bottom right of your screen and scroll down and tap on the Settings option there. Further, tap on the Privacy and Content Restrictions option you see there, and then wait for the page to load. Once loaded, you will see the option for communication. Tap on that and then tap on the Experience Chat option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and set both Experience Chat and Direct Chat to On Radio button, and you might need to perform the age check test, as in order to enable direct chat on Roblox, you need to meet a certain criteria for age requirement. So if you pass the age requirement, the direct chat on Roblox will be enabled. So this was about how you can enable direct chat on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.